Welcome back to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Today, we dive into one of the greatest mysteries humanity has ever pondered, the end of the universe. Before we begin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, so you never miss the mind-bending journeys we explore together. Imagine everything you know: planets, stars, galaxies gradually fading into nothingness. The universe we take for granted, the cosmic stage of our lives, has a future so strange it might challenge everything you believe. What truly awaits at the end of all existence? From today's perspective, the universe seems eternal. Stars are born, planets orbit, and galaxies dance. Yet, as we peer into the distant future, physics tells us that time, space, and matter are marching toward endings we can barely comprehend. The universe is expanding, not just moving apart, but stretching space itself, faster than light can travel. This relentless expansion hints at outcomes both terrifying and inspiring, outcomes that could define the fate of everything, including life itself. The most widely accepted theory among scientists is the heat death, a scenario in which the universe slowly cools to near absolute zero. Stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and matter becomes sparse. Energy becomes evenly spread, leaving a dark, silent cosmos. In this distant future, time might continue, but nothing happens. No light, no heat, no motion beyond infinitesimal quantum fluctuations. A universe frozen in entropy, endlessly stretching. Imagine a cosmic silence lasting trillions of years, an eternal night. Even black holes, the most mysterious objects we know, eventually evaporate through Hawking radiation. The last remnants of gravity wells themselves vanish, leaving the universe as an empty, expanding void. Life, as we know it, becomes impossible. The heat death is not dramatic in an explosive sense. It is quiet, cold, and absolute. But the sheer scale, the unimaginable duration, is what makes it both terrifying and mesmerizing. Another possibility is the Big Crunch, a universe that stops expanding and collapses back on itself. Gravity pulls everything inward, galaxies, stars, planets, and even light itself, toward a singular point of infinite density. This scenario mirrors the Big Bang in reverse. Could the end of the universe actually be a prelude to another beginning? Some theories suggest a cyclical cosmos, a universe reborn over and over in infinite loops, where endings are really new beginnings in disguise. As matter collapses, temperatures soar, atoms disintegrate, and energy concentrates. The very fabric of spacetime curves and twists violently. Imagine every star and galaxy compressed into a point so small, so dense, that it defies imagination. Could humanity or intelligence in some form witness the universe contracting? Likely not. The scale is cosmic, beyond comprehension. Yet, in this theory, the universe is not doomed to fade quietly. It might explode into creation again. The Big Rip is more dramatic and immediate than heat death. Dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the universe's expansion, could one day grow strong enough to tear galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms apart. First, galaxies would drift away faster than light can reach them. Next, stars would disintegrate, planets torn from their orbits, and eventually, the very building blocks of matter, atoms themselves, could be ripped apart. The Big Rip imagines a universe not just fading or collapsing, but violently unraveling. It's a cosmic apocalypse written into the laws of physics, where everything you know is literally torn to pieces. Even the smallest particles, electrons, and quarks, could be pulled apart as the universe accelerates beyond comprehension. It's not just the end of life, it's the end of matter, structure, and even the concept of space itself. Pause for a moment. Can you feel the weight of the cosmos pressing on your imagination? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to continue exploring the unimaginable with us. The universe is stranger than fiction. It challenges our minds, our expectations, and even the very notion of existence. And while theories like heat death, Big Crunch, and Big Rip dominate science, they barely scratch the surface of what might lie beyond. One of the most unsettling possibilities comes from quantum physics, vacuum decay. The universe could exist in a false vacuum, a metastable state that might suddenly collapse. If a bubble of true vacuum appeared somewhere, it could expand at light speed, are writing the laws of physics as it goes. Atoms, molecules, even space-time could be altered or destroyed in an instant. There would be no warning, no survival, only immediate transformation. This is not hypothetical fiction. It's a prediction based on our best understanding of particle physics. And it reminds us that the universe's end might not be slow or predictable, it could be instantaneous, reshaping everything in ways we cannot foresee. Some cosmologists suggest the universe is just one of many in a multiverse. In that context, our universe's end might simply be the birth of another, or a shift into a different cosmic reality. In this view, endings are not absolute, they're transitions. Perhaps universes collide, merge, or even spawn entirely new dimensions. The end of our universe could just be a doorway to realms unimaginably strange. Philosophically, this raises profound questions. Does the universe truly end if existence continues elsewhere? Are beginnings and endings merely illusions of perspective in an infinite cosmic landscape? All these scenarios, the quiet of heat death, the collapse of the Big Crunch, the violent Big Rip, the sudden vacuum decay, highlight how fragile and fleeting our cosmic stage is. For humans, it's humbling. We are brief sparks of awareness in a vast, mysterious cosmos. And yet, curiosity itself allows us to explore, understand, and imagine endings that occur billions or trillions of years from now. Perhaps the end of the universe is less about doom and more about perspective. Our role is to witness, to ask, to wonder, and in doing so, we stretch the boundaries of thought itself. So, what is the end of the universe? It could be a slow fade, a violent rupture, a collapse, or a quantum transformation. It could be absolute, or it could lead to something new, hidden in the infinite unknown. If you felt the awe, the wonder, or the thrill of cosmic possibility, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Universal Things. Together, we'll explore the mysteries that defy imagination. And remember, the universe might one day end, but curiosity is infinite. Keep asking, keep exploring, and keep watching. The end is only the beginning of our understanding.